Hey guys, good morning. It is Vlogmas day 4. I can't believe it's already the 4th day of Vlogmas. This is just like flying by, I swear. So I'm actually going to be cleaning my tattoo today. So I'm just gonna set you right here. I don't know if it's gonna, you gonna stay? Probably. Ugh. So I'm gonna literally like just place my leg right up here on my countertop. And what I like to do is, they tell you to use scent-free, hypoallergenic, antibacterial soap. So I have a bar of soap right here. It is brand new. You have to clean your hands before you touch your wrap tattoo. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. So I have my soap right here, and I also have my Aquaphor. So I'm literally just hiking up my leg right here. I'm balancing on one foot. And I'm just going to be rolling this up. So I take off the wrapping. There's gonna be like a slimy discharge from your skin. So that's completely normal. I did not think this through. I have to reach the sink. Yeah, there's like a slimy discharge from your skin because it's basically an open wound. And I take the soap, and what's most important is to keep it clean. Just keep it clean. It's literally dripping down my leg. I'm not gonna touch the tattoo with anything. I'm just gonna let it air dry, but the surrounding skin around it I am going to pat dry. So I gotta wash my hands again because I touched my hair, I touched the soap, I touched the towel. So let's just wash it again. And I'm going to be putting on the Aquaphor. I put on a nice layer of Aquaphor. By no means do I recommend you do what I do. Please consult with your own tattoo artist if you are going to be, you know, getting a tattoo. Listen to what they say for the aftercare. But yeah, we are going to be going over to the cemetery, and then I'm going to be going over to the Dollar Tree to get frames for my degrees. So I will probably catch up with you guys over there. You're like moving, I don't know. Alright, so clearly I have changed my cardigan and everything. It's like all sparkly. I think it's really cute. I am literally like finishing up this bag. Oh, this is what I got at the Dollar Tree before the movies, because I'm super cheap and I don't want to pay for the snacks at the movies, even though I get 20% off. Great. Oh, they have alcohol at the movies now. It's weird. I'm literally placing it in the sink basically. I need to get ready. I have a family thing. I'm obviously not going to be vlogging over there because it's very private, it's very personal. And yeah, but I will show you my finished makeup. I wanted to show you something too. Just a sec. So I just got these in the mail. They're from Groupon. I ordered them, I want to say, Black Friday, or oh my gosh, I turned it on. That's great. I love this for me. But I got these on Groupon for Black Friday. They were on sale. I turned mine on. Oh my gosh. But I have AirPods and everything, and I found these really cute little holders. Look how cute. It's a little whale. And I love the color blue, especially like light blues and dark blues. It's so cute. And so I got myself one, and I got him one. It looks like a little game controller, like an Xbox controller. It looks so cool. But yeah, and I got him the AirPods too. So I decided just to put it in the case, the AirPods and all. I think these are really cute. Nobody tell Xavier. I know my family watches this. Friends might watch this. Do not tell him. I don't want him to know anything. But this is going to be one of his stocking stuffers. This is so cute. And I've decided that this year I'm actually going to get the members of my family one like big gift that I wrap and put under the tree, and like 2 or 3 stocking stuffers, and that's it, because I don't want to be super materialistic and splurge on a whole bunch of things and it just not really mean anything, or, you know, like, besides meaning, be useful. So I know that he's gonna get a lot of use out of this, and I just thought that the case was a nice add-on. I will see you guys after I do my makeup. Okay, so my makeup is finally done. I refuse to use, where is it? Oh, it's over here. I don't even bother putting it back in my makeup bag because I don't like it. I refuse to use this mascara. It was bought, I think, at either Ross or TJ Maxx. Not knocking either one of those stores or anything, but this is really bad. When I got my tattoo and everything, I was just wearing this and literally concealer, foundation, powder, lipstick, that's it. And this was the only thing that I was wearing on my eyes. I kept on looking down because I had to lay down in order to get my tattoo the other day. I kept on looking down to like make eye contact with my artist and to talk to her and everything, and her apprentice. And by the end of my session, like, I looked like I had a full-on freaking black eye. It looked really bad. I was just like, no. And then every single time I apply it and I blink and it's not 100% dry, it like transfers to my upper lid. So no, I'm not gonna be using this, but I will see you all when I'm back home. Hey guys, so there's like two cameras on me right now. There's like the security camera and then my actual vlog camera. That's just great, huh? So it is currently 9:26. Yep, 9:26. I'm watching Tila's Vlogmas day 4. She's like on top of it this year. I swear, I'm like really slacking, I feel like, because it is Vlogmas day 4 and I'm barely uploading Vlogmas day 2. So I really need to get cracking. I'm sitting here in the library parking lot simply because I don't have very good Wi-Fi at my house. It's really bad. Something that would take me all night to upload literally takes me about 20 minutes here, 15-20 minutes here, but I don't know what's going on. It's literally telling me an hour right now. I'm sitting in the parking lot because the library is officially closed, but no, it's telling me an hour and 2 minutes and it's 7% uploaded. Correction, it is 8% uploaded and I have 1 hour. This is ridiculous. I don't know. I'm tempted just to drive to another library and see if that helps, but yeah, I'm probably gonna drive to another library because I don't want to be here for a whole hour. Let's just get going to the other location. Okay, so I am at this other library location. It is right now 9:40, and right now it says we're at 15%, so it's a little bit faster than the other location. We're just gonna sit tight I'm just gonna stay here for 5 minutes and see how far like the process goes, yeah, and how long it'll take us. So I will check back in with you right here in 5 minutes. Okay guys, so it is officially 5 minutes later. Here, let me just prove it to you. It is 9:45 right now. And it is in the middle of processing. It's all done uploading. We're just waiting it to be processed tonight. And yeah, that took 5 minutes. From me getting here, vlogging, telling you guys what we're doing, to right now, that was 5 minutes. That is insane compared to the other location where I was sitting for like 10-15 minutes. It was literally at like 5 or 6%. So I don't know if it's like the spot that I'm in and the Wi-Fi just can't get to me, or if it's just the library. I don't know or if it's just my luck, but yeah. I feel like my seatbelt is choking me. But I am in the very middle of watching Tila Dunn's Vlogmas day 4. Right now, it's like a huge girls trip up at Big Bear. So yeah, that looks really fun. I love watching all of their vlogs because there's different perspectives of the day, because sometimes they branch off. Like some of them will go off and do, oh geez, it's 95% processed. 99% now processed. It is 9:46. And it's 99% processed. That is insane. We've been here 6 minutes. It's already in the processing stage, almost at the end. That is crazy. But anyway, they normally like to branch off into 2 separate groups. There's like the bougie group that stays behind and takes pictures, and then there's like the more sporty group that goes snowboarding and skiing. So it's just really fun to see. So I'm going to head back home. I will see you guys back back over there. Okay guys, so we are back home. I have on some really cute Tweety pajama pants. It is 10:07, so I am actually really tired. I'm going to be editing Vlogmas Day 3, which I have yet to edit and everything. So I'm going to be editing that and probably putting that up tomorrow. I feel like I'm so behind. I'm just going to be taking off my makeup and going to bed, so I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 5. Wow, it's already Vlogmas Day 5. That's insane. Remember, you're all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!